Kitty, how do you do that?
Hi YouTube, and this is a song by Taylor Swift called Should Have Said No. So I can be really investigating because of my thoughts, but we'll give it a try. My favorite song, by the way, is called Who's Up from Taylor Swift. Should stop it. So I think about it. Stop it. It sounds fuzzy. Place all we used to stay bounce the flowers every day is gone. Yesterday I thought about you, even though I was just looking at you. Feels